So if you're looking to source some products, I always come to the Wal-Mart clearance center. You can look at all the stuff that's here. A lot of stuff is 50% off, 75% off. And what you do here is you just grab something, and they have an app. They have a Walmart app, and then you have an eBay app. So you can actually scan the barcode on any of these items and see what they're selling for on eBay. So let's say, for example, these gloves right here. Let's take these gloves. Let's say they're selling for $158 here, right? If you go onto eBay, those are probably selling for $6. So how many of those can you buy and sell to make some money for yourself? All right, so anything. I mean, they have dishes, they have bowls. They have bowls, they have cereal bowls. Who cares what color it is? If you can sell this online and double your money, you're doing good. That's why I always come to the clearance center. So check out Walmart Clearance Center near you. So you gotta be willing to dig. I mean, look at this stuff. This stuff goes on for ever and ever. Look at it. You got mugs, you have fans. Here you have office supplies. Let's see what I have over here. A lot of little knickknacks. You have to be willing to dig through this stuff and find something that you know is valuable. And if you don't know it while you're in the store, just research it online. Just Google it or go onto eBay and scan the code if it's got a code on it. If not, just put in what it is. Look, you got all kinds of glassware right here. This stuff is so cool. These are, look at this. These are like brand new. You know, $4 each. I don't even know what they are, but look, you can get brand new stuff too. It's pretty amazing.